Just to update that this video is extracted from the our member audio or member stream, right? Where I do the personalized training. So it may contain some extra talks just for at that time because it is just a cutout from that whole video of 1 hour. Okay. As always, so do consider subscribing to the channel. 92% of people are not subscribing after watching the video. It does help the content creator, right? And if you're coming from Google search and if this video helps you, don't forget to give super thanks and always like and subscribe. Don't forget to ask any question in the comment section. I do reply to all of them. Thank you.
He said we have to do the authentication, is it the voice ID?
Yeah, voice ID. Okay, so first of all, we will
The
enable
other
the voice ID. So go to the main page, the previous page that you were. So over here, you will see in the left hand side, voice ID is there, right? So this is another applications. Okay. Now, why
Mhm.
I'm not just a second. Let me make it full screen so that all the who are watching through the video or full screen. Okay. No.
I think Ima needs to
I
maximize her
I
screen,
think
maybe.
that's my screen.
I'm
Yeah,
still
later.
seeing people in the right. I want to hide that. Breakout room, notes, view, speaker, no, view, focus on content. Yeah, okay. So now it is full screen. Okay, so over here, there are few steps we have to create. Now what happens is Voice ID along with
Mhm.
Amazon Connect creates two stream. Okay, and this is specifically for voice. You cannot use for the chat, obviously, reason because this is voice authentication, right? Now,
Mhm.
what happens is when you enable a voice ID, so there are three blocks given in the contact flow. When you enable a
Mhm.
voice ID, a parallel audio stream goes to voice ID. Okay, means
Mhm.
voice authentication system, and it verifies that voice whichever you're giving, right, based on the
Mhm.
input. Now, for that, they have mentioned to create a new domain and also
Mhm.
create a new KMS key so that they what do you say uh, put the thing into encrypted. Okay,
Encrypted.
so just give any voice random voice ID name that you want to give. So this is like if you are creating a voice ID for your VIP customer or something like that. Whatever name you want to give, you can give over here. No issues over here.
Mhm.
Okay, go down. You can choose either existing voice ID, sorry, encryption KMS key, or you can create a new one. So it's up to you. We can choose the old one. No worries.
But can you use two KMS key for different purpose? Is that something possible? If you can you use a key? I think if you want to do voicemail application, you cannot use the same key. I'm trying to
No, no.
think.
KMS. So
Okay,
key is encryption
it
key.
doesn't matter.
Okay, so it doesn't
So
matter.
you can use it for anything. It still
Yeah,
encrypts.
yeah.
You don't need to create
Okay,
every
so
key.
encryption decryption process, right?
Yeah.
To encrypt anything, you require one security code, right? Based on that, they
Mm-hmm.
encrypt it because nobody knows that code, right?
Cool.
Now,
Mm-hmm.
when we use KMS, what happens is we are allowing Amazon Connect saying,
Mm-hmm.
okay, use this KMS encrypt key, okay, or sorry, secret key to
Mm-hmm.
encrypt your audio file, okay, and also
Mm-hmm.
use the same KMS secret key to decrypt the file. Okay,
Okay.
so that's the role
Mm-hmm.
of KMS, nothing else. So it just provides one security code which is
Mm-hmm.
used by encryption decryption methodology to encrypt and decrypt any of item like audio file.
Okay.
So
Okay.
nobody else can read it. Okay, enable voice ID. It will take around 5-10 seconds.
Okay.
Oh, very fast. Okay,
Yeah.
so we have enabled the domain.
Mm.
Now we will go back to your instance.
To the instance.
Yeah, no, sorry, that other screen. Yeah, there.
Okay. This thing is making me. I'm not able to see. Sorry, guys. I have to bring this.
Yeah, okay, that's fine with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Okay, go to the first of all, let's go to the document. They have mentioned few of the important thing, that workshop. Okay, over here they are mentioning. I've gone through the whole workshop. Means I have studied all this thing. So basically, what
Oh.
they are saying is, they are talking about the voice edit for the voice solution only. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and it can determine two things. One is authentication, right? That you are the
Mm-hmm.
customer or you are that person or not. And there is another
Yeah.
feature called fraud detection. Okay, so you can train around 1,000 fraudster voice, and it can determine that if the caller is fraud or not.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so two use cases they have defined over here, or two functionality it has. Okay, scroll down to the bottom. Okay, go down. It's just saying what is exactly you get a free tire and all this thing, and it is enabled for these regions only. Okay, click on next. Okay, so this is again what exactly they are giving. So they have mentioned that everything that you say for the voice, right, goes as a
Mm.
separate stream, okay, and stored as a separate audio file in your S3 bucket, and it is again encrypted and decrypted using the
Mm.
KMS. Okay, click on next.
Mm.
Okay, so for to make it work, right? So again, there is an enrollment process is there, and then once particular user enrollment is done, authentication process is there. So that is the step first paragraph, right? In that they have given recommendation is to get the voice of around 10 second, but minimum you can keep it as 5 second, right? Uh, Below is fraud risk detection. I think they have given what is 500 fraudster voices you can
Yes.
uh, provide to it. Okay, so go
So
next. Yeah,
before customer enroll here, they have to consent. So how does the consent comes in place now when a customer is calling within an IVR?
consent is just like when you provide something like this call may be recorded for training and quality purposes. You can say, do you want to opt in for it? So you either say yes, then you proceed with that flow. If you just say no, then you have to skip that recording part, or same for the voice part, right?
Okay,
So
so you have to bring the idea still when you're doing the voice. Okay.
so it will be just yes and no, get customer input. Okay, so this step we have already done. What we are doing is we are enabling a domain. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, so this thing one is there. One in your security profile, you have to enable the voice ID in CCP side.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we will go to the security profile first. No, no, these are the steps we have to do.
So okay, I should go back to my
Instance, contact flow.
mm,
No, 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 over here, instance.
stuff like that.
This is your instance. Okay, go to the security
Mhm.
profile.
Security profile.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So let's say you are logging with the admin, right? So go to the admin.
Yeah, I'm looking with admin.
Go
So
go
this
inside of that admin
okay.
and CCP over here enable, or it is already been enabled for you. Okay, nothing to do.
So okay. So this way we check that. Next
Okay,
thing is
okay. So download that sample contact flow.
this one.
Line number point number 5.
Under download contact voice ID. Okay.
You have downloaded.
Yeah.
Okay, so go
Contact.
back to your contact flow, flows.
Yeah.
Yeah, create new flow. create flow.
This a new. This thing is weird. It's because of the new event. They're doing things now differently. It looks different.
Yeah, they have upgraded for your region. Uh, Click on that down from the save, yeah, and import. Select that file.
Open that download. This one.
Okay, so you have everything now,
Oh wow.
and so it explains little bit, right? You have to select the queue. Select the queue. Go
So
to the right. Yeah.
can we do this using a module? Is it something we can do as well to bring it in as a module or no? Instead
Uh,
of creating flow, we can create it on that module. Is that something to
yeah,
do
yeah, you
too?
can do that. Yeah. So every contact flow or blocks is
Mm-hmm.
also available in the modules. So there is no change.
Okay. So the function of that model is just to continuous flow within the contact center, right?
See,
Should not
modules
be
is
able.
basically reusable components. So if you have any flow which is getting reused time to time,
Yes.
so then you use the
Okay.
module. Otherwise, use of module is no use.
No use.
Uh,
So where should I go to now?
yeah, okay. So now what we are doing, we are going to understand what exactly it is over
It's
here.
going on.
Okay. So before that, in that block library, right, search for voice. So what are the things we get from? Okay, so we what we get is check voice ID and set voice ID. Okay, this two, yeah. Bring no set voice is specifically for,
Oh, my
yeah,
fault.
set voice is for setting the what is that,
Language.
language
Like
and its voice,
the
male
person
female.
that won't.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. Okay, so first is set voice ID. So this is what we do. If you click on
Mm-hmm.
that one, set voice ID,
Okay. Said voice ID.
we will delete it anyway. Okay, so click on start streaming voice ID. So this is your allowing or starting the voice ID process. Okay. Now what you want
Mm-hmm.
to do? Either you want to do voice authentication, or you want to do fraud detection, or you want to do both, right? So you
Let's say
can
one.
one. Okay, so let's do for voice authentication. Once you enable the voice authentication, okay, so what you get over here is some threshold limit, right? So what exactly is the threshold? So basically, if you use what do you say, so what is saying that I have given my voice input, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and it matches with my previous voice print 90% or above, then only I will say that okay, I have been identified, otherwise I will be not identified. So this is what threshold limit is, authentication threshold. If you keep it 10%, it will allow maximum all user, right? But if you keep it
Mm-hmm.
as a 99%, maybe your voice has changed or it is not able to recognize at that level. So this is what
Mm-hmm.
threshold level is, right? Same for below. If you see authentication response time, so this is
Yeah.
minimum audio second that we have to or we want to capture before saying that okay, this user is that person or not. Scroll down.
Okay.
So that is what authentication response time is.
Okay.
And yeah, so this is for your what is it, voice authentication. Now click on enable fraud detection. So again, what we are saying is how many. So there may be chance that my voice is similar to a fraudster, right? Or my pattern of saying. So let's say I have Indian accent and the fraudster also have the Indian accent, right? So there is a possibility that it may recognize my voice as fraudster, although I am a normal customer.
Yeah.
So that's where you set the threshold recommend threshold level. So they have given 50 as a optimal one because it's
Mm-hmm.
still learning, not as sophisticated as Noise voice biometric. In Noise, it is around 96% we keep for both. Uh, and over here, again, they already have their own, and you can also create your own voice print ID, right? 500 that we saw. So that thing
Mm-hmm.
you can configure over here. Okay,
domain. Okay.
we can cancel this part and delete it.
Yeah. So this
Okay,
way you're setting the voice
yeah.
ID and okay.
Now comes the check voice ID, right? Click on this one. So there are few things over here, right? So what you are
Mm-hmm.
doing exactly? So over here we have three things. One is enrollment status. Do we have any voice print for this user or not? Second is voice authentication. So once you click on any of these, right? So enrollment status, what you get, scroll down.
Mm.
Yeah, what you get is if customer is enrolled or not enrolled, or user have opted out, right? If you select on
Mhm.
voice authentication,
Okay. So these are
so
the
you will get different. So this is what it will do is from the streaming you will get if user is authenticated, not authenticated, inconclusive, not enrolled, opted out, all these values, right?
oh,
And same for the
so,
fraud detection.
yeah. So this is when the customer at the beginning of the call, when the customer enrolled, you're gonna get the data from here to see.
Yeah, if they first
Okay.
we will check if he is enrolled or
Mhm.
not. If he is enrolled, then we will see if it is authenticated or not authenticated or inclusive, conclusive, and all these things.
Hmm. Then the
And
same goes for
same for fraud detection. Is the means person is at high risk of fraud, low risk of fraud, or inconclusive. So that information that you get.
so when you're bringing the blogs, if you're doing both at from the set from the set voice ID, then when you're coming to the check voice ID block, are you gonna do how are you gonna manage both? You bring this block twice, or how is that? Because it's like you can do one at a time. You
Yeah,
can
yeah.
do
So
both.
you have to. So let's once you enable the set voice ID, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So one more step is before that is if you click on that enrollment status, click on that enrollment status. See over here there is a information they are giving. The customer ID must be set using set contact attribute block. What it means is we are setting a unique ID for the customer, and against that the voice ID is getting enabled. Okay, so once we have set voice ID. So before the set voice ID, we have to use set. Sorry, after the set voice ID, we have to set the customer ID, so that the voice streaming knows against which uh, unique voice what is that customer ID we have to pull the or match the voice print. Now over here in this demo, they have done only voice authentication section. But again, you can do
Mhm.
the enrollment section if it is enrolled or not enrolled. If it is enrolled, then only go to the voice
Mhm.
authentication. If it is not enrolled, then go for the enrollment process and all those things.
Yes. Oh,
Okay.
okay. Mm-hmm.
So we'll cancel this one and delete this one.
So based on that, it goes an up node. Okay. Understand.
Okay.
So we
So over
so they
here,
set the log
yeah. So if
welcome
you open the play prompt, uh,
welcome to any bank.
how can I help you today? Please speak for 10 seconds. So what it's doing is doing a play prompt, not the get customer input. Okay.
Yes.
And immediately it's starting the voice ID. And
Mm.
after that, it's using whatever the user is going to say is going to.
Oh, the check everything. Check this
So,
one. Voice training. Okay.
so this is they
Fraud
have done
detection.
the all the settings over there, right?
Mm.
So cancel. Now after that, they're doing set contact attribute customer ID, customer ID. They're setting to some value. Okay. So maximum 32 character is supported. You can have minimum 1 to 32 characters.
So this value is coming from
They're done half hard coded, but this value should be from your CRM system or any of the system against which you are
system.
storing or
Sorry.
want to capture the voice for the particular user.
Okay. It's like in a contact center, you have like an contact ID for a customer. similar
Yeah,
like
unique
that
ID for the customer.
for the customer. Okay.
It can be their phone
So,
number also.
it can be phone number. Okay.
Okay.
So when
So
that
now
stuff
once that is done, sorry. Yeah.
is
So
stored.
now what they are doing, now over here, user will be giving its input, right? And what they have done, something called store customer input. Over here, you will see there is no prompt, but
Mm-hmm. The
system
storing
is waiting for user input, right? And what they have
input.
done is minimum timeout second they have given as around 16 seconds. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
maximum they have given is 16
20 digits.
seconds. 20 digits is just to give or allow uh, for long wait. So 10 second
Yeah,
is long wait, right? So that
long.
is
Yeah.
why. So user will be giving input over here. Okay. Remember that there is no prompt over here in the store customer input. If you scroll to
Yes.
the right,
So okay. So okay, this is for error. So once the input that, let's say they give the,
input.
so let's say they use the numbers to check on phone number to check on the customer, then they give their input
Hmm.
like their, so this input will be like your voice is your password or what?
You
What
can
input are
say anything. So they are not
anything?
restricted to any word, but you
Anything
have to say for 10 seconds continuously.
for 10 seconds continuous so that they can capture that it's your voice.
Hmm.
Okay, so once that is done, then the voice is authenticated. Oh, okay. So the voice is undedicated. So you just saying anything, they just want to know you how you speak, just to know that this voice is yours so they can save it.
Right.
Oh, okay. Then if it's undedicated, you don't tell your voice is now undedicated, then they send it to the wherever they are sending you. Let me see where they're sending you.
They're
To
sending
the
it to
working.
Q.
So if it's not undedicated, they will tell you you are not undedicated. Please try again or what? I don't know.
No,
Not
no.
undedicated.
Only one time process is that. There is no multiple process. So once the voice
Oh, they
ID,
send it to an agent to
yeah,
verify you in case. Okay. If it's inconclusive, if status is complete, they send it back again to an working queue. If it's enrolled, not enrolled,
yeah,
they
what they're
send you
doing, you're not
to the,
enrolled. Okay. And then
if you opt out, they send you
that's okay.
to the
If
agent.
they have
So
not
from
enrolled, what they're doing, are doing anything different. Go up.
enroll,
Please
please
ask
ask
agent to enroll you. What?
you.
Okay. Okay.
But if because some customers they don't like this option, they can just opt out for it. And if they can still tell the customer does not want to enroll, that's up to the customer. Error occur because it's an error block. So okay, so everything from here boils down to the agent, transfer to agent, then fail disconnect. Oh, okay. So the main thing to look out for this is a check voice ID after. So we have to pay attention to the set voice ID and the check voice ID and how. So now, Ravi, in order to include this now to your flow, for instance, you have been authenticated. Apart from the fact that they have given the code, they have verified you, but voice ID can be like another layer, like a sophisticated, like the third layer to verify. Let's say it's a bank, right? You
Hmm.
have to make sure that the caller is a caller and so that people to avoid fraud and stealing and all that and all that.
Mm-hmm.
So to bring this now in that flow that you've done, how does that play out? Do we just create this as a module, bring in an attach it after the code has been verified and said, please, or would or because there are some banks that gives you all this checks, some banks will give you just two, your identify with your number, ask for your security code, and that's it. Just
Mm-hmm.
transfer it to an agent. But some will give you to this third layer. I want to see how how does the contact center plays out with the third layer in that flow that you've built. How do you bring in this one as a subflow? Let it run smoothly after authenticating you with your code. Then they proceed to do a voice ID.
Yeah,
So
same,
maybe.
right? If they are okay to invest in the voice ID part,
Mhm.
it will come as one of the additional authentication mechanism. So what users have
Mechanism.
provided the information based on their phone number and SSN or
Mm-hmm.
DOB, right? So those are,
Yeah.
we can say, one, two level, and this will be third level of authentication. Fourth will be
Authentication.
OTP, but we don't go to the third level also. We'll keep it
Mm-hmm.
restricted to few seconds. But what is happening over here is,
Mm-hmm.
even though we are asking play prompt, right? In the play prompt, we are asking, how can I help you? Please say for 10 seconds, right? So whatever input
Yes.
is user is giving, we can use that to the get customer input, right? Although voice ID is enabled.
Mm-hmm.
If you go up,
Mm-hmm.
so instead of store customer input, we can use maybe get customer input over here. I have not tested out, but we can
Yes.
obviously play around with it and
Mm-hmm.
pass it to the Lex and get the uh,
Yeah. I think.
proper intent. So over here, while user is saying what exactly his problem is, right? We are
Yeah.
authenticating it. Now, if it gives authenticated, now
Mm-hmm.
rest of your checks like asking for DOB or their address or whatever the
Address.
level of authentication that you want, you can minimize those part. So that is also one of the option is there. Let's test it out now. Publish it. Oh, sorry. First of all, check your what is that? Go to the right.
Mm, right. Where? This is my right.
No, no. Go to
Save.
scroll to the right.
Oh,
No, you are going left, right.
no. Sorry.
Yeah, below that, set working queue. You have to set the queue.
So
Any queue,
let
basic queue. Yeah, keep it basic queue.
me give this basic queue.
Save, publish,
Okay. Let's save it. Connect voice sample. Okay, save.
publish.
Public. Okay.
Okay, so now we will get we already have a phone number, right? So we'll connect
Mm,
that phone number to this one.
let me see. What phone numbers do I have? Sample for this one is okay. Let's attach this one.
Yeah, save and dial. See how it behaves.
Yay, guys, we have a flow. Let me go back to the flow and see how we can get that. Is it gonna take me there? No, this is a bad approach. I'm doing. I'm going to this thing without. I haven't even taken the phone number. That is not nice. Okay, number is 877 82 823 6.
Also log into your agent workspace.
Welcome to any bank. How can I help you today? Please speak for at least 10 seconds. Hi, my name is Ima. I wanna check my account. I think somebody just robbed me. Whatever. Hmm.
Hmm? Open the workspace also.
Yeah, it's open, but I don't know if you guys are seeing it. You are not
No,
enrolled in voice. Please ask agent to enroll you.
so it is not
So this
enrolled. Now from agent you can enroll, but we have to see that screen. Why we are not able to see the screen?
okay. So in that case, I have to I have to share my entire screen. If you want to see the screen, just give me a minute
Okay.
because I shared just this. Yes, just a minute. So let's enroll. Let's do this thing and let it work.
No, disconnect the call. We also want to see, right?
Yeah, I want to share my entire screen. So that the entire screen. Hmm. So there are two screens. What's going on? Do you guys see my screen?
No.
No. Okay. Let me do my share my entire screen. Shouldn't I have two screen because I have two? You can see my screen now.
Hmm.
Am I sharing?
No.
No.
Why? What is happening?
You can share the screen you were sharing previously and just drag and drop the workspace here.
That's the thing I'm doing. It's not working.
Okay, do
I
one thing.
am.
Go to the previous screen, like previously how you shared, and
Mm-hmm.
once you click on Agent Workspace, right? So copy that URL, open in new tab rather than the pop-up.
Okay, that makes sense. Because I'm doing that. I don't know what
Uh,
is going on here.
yeah, just a second. Someone at door.
Okay. So instead of so pop-up, I should do. Um, okay, so I think that's what he's trying to say. So let me just put myself available. So what is that for? Okay, so yep, and this is me here. What I'm doing, okay, I'm available. This is it. I say I'm not enrolled in voice ID. Authentication. Say this flow is cool. It's an agent to enroll.
Okay, sorry, I am back. Have you opened the Agent Workspace?
Yes, I have got it here.
Yeah, nice. Okay, now make another call. We will see if it comes over here as unrolled, and then we will do the enrollment over here.
Okay.
Leave another voice.
Welcome to any bank. How can I help you today? Please speak for at least 10 seconds.
Hi, my name is Ima. I'm in Ravi's class today, so we are testing this flow. Yes, I think it's 10 seconds.
Okay, the call should come over here.
It's
You
20.
are not enrolled in Voice ID. Please ask agent to enroll you. Thank you for calling. Your call is very important to us and will be answered in the order it was received.
Okay.
Where it went?
Mm.
Where's it ring?
Should- It's ringing, so it should come here. I don't know.
Have you closed the other one?
Oh,
Close there.
let me. I've closed the other one.
No.
Mm. It's busy, right? So
You're
this is.
logged in another screen also, so that's why.
But I just maybe that's why because I closed it earlier. I just closed it as we talked about it, but
Okay, maybe another
Majid,
call.
how is that number picking up this flow? Are we supposed to attach it to the number or something?
Yeah, we did, na?
yes, and
We
we
assigned
just
now.
did that.
Did we attach it?
Yeah, yeah.
Did I
Yes.
miss that part? Oh, okay.
Are you with Mama? That's why we attached it.
Yeah, in and out.
Disconnect it, Emma. I think make sure you close
Wait,
other browsers if it is open. Otherwise, it
I've
will get
closed it.
confused.
Oh, maybe I should. Let me just refresh this, then I die it again.
Hmm.
Maybe I'll have a miss. I don't know.
Okay. Other is
Okay.
closed, right? Other Windows.
Yes. The
Other
other one is.
Edge of Explorer. Okay. Now call again.
Welcome to any bank. How can I help you today? Please speak for at least 10 seconds.
Hi, we are trying to test this voice ID flow for bank authentication. Please, can we have the call now?
6 seconds, you
Mm,
said.
No, 15 seconds.
6 seconds.
You are not enrolled in Voice ID. Please ask agent to enroll you. Thank you for calling. Your call is very important to us and will be answered in the order it was received.
It's a basic flow.
Where the call going?
This is and the mic is enabled. Sorry,
No,
because
where it is ringing? I'm not able
it's
to see.
that's the thing. It's not coming to my CCP, and then we selected the basic queue.
Hmm.
The basic queue. It should come right.
It's ringing somewhere, right? Where it is ringing?
Yeah. Or the basic. Do we have to give it a basic queue? Do we have to give it a profile?
No, no, no. Wait, wait, Emma. It's ringing
Mhm.
somewhere in your system. Where it is ringing?
And my phone
Why it is ringing in your phone?
because I'm the one calling.
Oh, that's a waiting music you're saying. It's not coming.
Yes.
Oh, okay,
No,
okay.
it's a waiting song. It's not coming here.
Oh, okay, okay. Sorry, I thought it's ringing over here, and that's a okay, okay.
No,
Sorry,
no,
sorry.
no.
That's why I'm getting confused over here. What's happening? Okay,
Do
let's
we give it a
understand.
profile?
No, no.
Do we
Go to
give it
the
like
routing profile. Yeah,
routing profile? I'm thinking
yeah.
to let's look at the routing
Basic
profile.
routing profile.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go down. And over here, yeah. No, this is outbound.
Yeah,
No,
I
yeah.
remove.
Change it
Okay,
to
yes,
yeah,
I
basic
did
thing.
it. I removed it when we were testing the outbound.
Okay,
I
click
see what
save.
it is.
No, no, no. Outbound is okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Click save. I thought okay. I thought that's
Mhm.
a ring from your system, not from. Okay, okay. Sorry, my
Yeah.
mistake.
Let me call again
Okay.
because I was testing the outbound thing. I changed it to test it, so that's why what happened. Okay, let me do it. Because I was like, let me check the routing.
Welcome to any bank. How can I help you today? Please speak for at least 10 seconds.
Hi, my name is Emma. We're in Ravi class. We are doing the testing for this flow. Yes, 10 seconds.
That's 3 seconds.
No, I'm looking at it on my phone, right?
Oh,
It's
is it?
giving one. Yeah.
But
Oh,
anyway,
maybe
okay.
did I?
We're not enrolled in voice
Okay.
ID.
That's
Please
okay.
ask
We are
a
anyway not enrolled. Okay,
Thank you
now
for
it came.
calling.
Now accept.
Your call is very important to us. It will
Oh.
be answered in the order.
Click on accept.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now they are saying it should. Oh, see over here, you are low risk and you are not enrolled. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
in the document they are saying once agent allow them to enroll, you have to give at least 30 seconds of your voice input, excluding silence. Okay. So what we'll do
Uh,
is you will say for 30 seconds. Maybe if you want to bring some books or something or want to read something, you can do that.
okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I will start the stopwatch. Then you can click on. So we will record for at least 40
Mm-hmm.
seconds. Okay. Where is my clock? Okay. So you can click on enroll.
I should enroll right now.
Yeah, yeah. We'll see.
I have a question. So if the customer choose not to enroll with the agent on the phone, they're
Then
just
you
gonna go
click
up.
yeah opt out.
So now the agent, like the architect, because I'm trying to think on the situation where they were trying to get customers enrolled their biometrics. So from this up out, you know the number of customers that in terms you want to pull out the reports that they don't want to do the voice thing
Mm-mm.
on their account. Okay. So let me go enroll.
Say 40 seconds. Say
Oh, hi. My name is Emma. Today has been a very busy day. I spoke with Donna on the phone today, and I
40
and I'm in
seconds you have
class
to say.
right now with Ravi and with Point on the class. So today is very interesting because we are doing authentication and biometric verification in a contact flow. So from that, I think we'll look at API. Yes.
More, more, more.
So okay, so um Amazon Connect. I'm trying to look for what's this to read.
Read that Amazon queue. Your organization connects administrator there in the screen, right?
Yeah, okay, yes. Your organization, Amazon Connect administration has not completed Amazon queue setup. Contact your administrator so that you can search for solutions and start receiving proactive suggestions to help address customer issues more efficiently. How to fix it? You have to add integration associations for your Amazon Connect queue assistant. Then, if you want to customize your CCP, you can look into cases. You can bring in your customer profile by filling the name, phone number, date of birth, email, mail address,
Okay, what it's
and
saying
some.
is if your enrollment is successful, the voice
Yes.
ID status will automatically change to this one, enrolled. Click on that refresh icon.
Okay. Uh, Starting. Oh.
Not yet.
Ooh.
Say again, read Amazon Q.
We'll look for something productive to read. Um, my name is Ima. Okay, I have been an Amazon Connect engineer for 90 years now. So I want to tell you about my experience. I went to the event, the conference in is it in California? Was it in LA, Las Vegas? Yes. This conference, they had some new features that came in. They're bringing the idea of an email. They're also bringing the idea of outbound campaign, and they talk about the segment thing there.
You're not
Apart
on
from
mute,
that,
right? I'm just
I, I'm not on mute.
You're not in mute in your phone where you are speaking, right?
Oh yes, my phone is on mute.
That's what I'm saying. Well, it says there are hardly 30 seconds is required, and we are speaking for last three
Yeah,
minutes.
because it was echoing, so I had to stop. Oh, okay. Let me unmute myself. Sorry, sorry.
Mm.
Okay, let me do it now. Let me do it right. Okay, my name is. I want to touch.
Mute the Microsoft Teams, I think, if you're getting echo. No, 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 no. Microsoft Teams. Okay, let me mute you for you. Where you will.
Exactly. Okay, hi Rick. Okay, so
Okay, now go ahead. Go ahead, say your input to your mobile. Hello? Oh, okay, we have muted you, so we don't know what you are saying. Okay, so we are record. We hope that you are recording, and we will wait for 30 seconds. Let me start my stopwatch, and we'll wait for 30 seconds. Oh, you are enrolled. Okay, done. Okay, let me unmute you. Oh, I can't unmute. Emma, you have to unmute yourself.
okay.
Okay, so now we see that you are enrolled, right, over there in the
Yeah.
yeah. So now we can end the call, and next time when you again call, and
Mm-hmm.
once you give your voice print, it should come as enrolled or authenticated.
Okay. So my question is, what's the high risk? Why is it showing this?
So we have done 5 minutes, 6 minutes of garbage, right?
Oh.
So maybe that's why.
Okay, so let me end the call. Close contact. Okay, let me dial again. That was the difficult part. Oh,
Welcome to Anybank. How can I help you today? Please speak for at least 10 seconds.
hi, my name is Ima. I want to check my account balance and I want to make some payment transaction. Can you verify me and let me do the needful? Thank you. And
Wow.
do I need to keep talking? I don't
No,
know
no,
if I
it's
want.
okay. We click accept and see, and we are not able to hear the prompt, but you are authenticated. Oh wow. Now
Yay!